Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to restore system default without deleting user data in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset, and now click on reset all settings, and here enter your screen passcode to reset all your settings, and here it will be confirmed to reset all your settings. It will reset all your phone settings but never destroy another data like photos, videos and other data. It will reset all your phone settings. After reset all the phone settings, it will restore system defaults without deleting user data in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.